Assalamu alaikum, my YouTube family. Hope you all doing good. Looking for a quick and easy sewing projects to put your scrap fabric to good use. In this tutorial, we will show you how to make a stylish black and white mini card wallet in just 5 minutes. With simple materials and basic sewing skills, you will create a practical accessory to keep your cards organized and add a touch of handmade charm to everyday life. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting DIY tutorials, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Share your creation with us in the comments below and let us know what other DIY projects you would like to see in the future. Happy sewing! Thanks for watching. Calling all sewing beginners, in this DIY tutorial, we will show you how to make a stylish and functional zipper pouch without a lining. If you are new to sewing or looking for a quick and easy project, this tutorial is perfect for you. Join us as we guide you through each step of the process, from selecting your fabric and zipper to sewing the pouch together. We will provide a clear and simple instructions, making it easy for you to follow along and create a beautiful zipper pouch in no time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more beginner-friendly sewing tutorials and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. The best part, you wouldn't need to worry about the complexity of adding a lining. We will show you a clever technique that allows you to achieve a clean and professional finish without the extra steps. Whether you want to make a pouch for your makeup, small essentials, or even as a gift, this tutorial will equip you with the skills to create a functional and stylish accessory. You will be amazed at how quickly you can whip up a zipper pouch that showcases your creativity. So, we would love to see your finished projects. So, share them with us in the comments below. Get ready to dive in the world of sewing and create your very own no lining zipper pouch. Let's get started, and thanks for watching.